Alright guys, I'm back to attach the pages. I figured it would be good for you guys to see this. I can't stress to you guys enough how important it is that you line everything up, you know, perfectly centered and all that good stuff, because this is the kind of album that is not very forgiving. If everything is not lined up, your bag will not line up with the binding. Alright, so you just got to make sure that you line everything up and you should be good to go. Alright, you shouldn't have any problems. So the way I like to attach my bags is insert the page into the hinge. I like to lay it flat, and when it's in the flat position, then I stick it. All right, I don't stick it when it's like this and go like that. No, that will make your page do that. All right, you want to do it when it's laying flat. Okay, it's so important. That is like that's a very popular question that I get, and that's what you're doing wrong, guys. Or you just have it too full here at the binding. If it's really thick at the binding, your pages are gonna do that. All right, it's impossible for it to lay flat if you got like 50 layers really close to the binding. Okay, so insert it, don't stick, lay it flat, make sure everything is lining up. See that? Now stick it down. Okay, so you have some room up here. See, just a little bit of room. I think I have to cut this one down, but you have some room in there. My magnets are not letting me get my tag in. All right, so you have just enough room in there for the photo mat to stick out. Okay. And I'll go through my pages and what I did to my pages at the end of the video. Not this video, at the end, the final video, because I still have to show you my storage box. I mean, and it's really just making a box, guys, so I'll probably just give you measurements and not take you through the assembly. Just everything has to be sized properly, right? So everything can fit. That's what's key here. What I love about the slip cover is that it's not a theme-based project. You can make the front of that slip cover whatever theme you want it to be. So I have to do a birthday project really soon, and I'm gonna do a birthday one. The same idea, because this is such an easy album to put together, a paper bag album, and you know, and it's just really good looking. You know, it's really good looking and easy to put together. So I'm gonna do birthday, and I will share that with you all. And I will have kits on the birthday one if you guys wanna check that out. But just really wonderful project. And the front of that storage box will have a birthday theme. Okay, this one will have just a pretty girly theme for my niece, but that one will have a birthday theme. So the point I'm making here is that the storage box tutorial, or this one as well, that I'm going to do a storage box with it, it's perfect for theme projects. All right, so there you go. And you can do it over wedding, birthday, baby, you name it. The outside of the box will tell the story. And it's got a nice flat profile. If you want to stick it in a bookshelf, you can. So it's really wonderful for that. So here are the pages attached, guys. This binding here is really wonderful because you can add a decorative strip of paper here, or a border strip. Excuse me, a decorative border strip if that's what you want to do. But it works out really beautiful, and it just gives you that added touch of embellishment. So here's your bag. Love that the gusset is available. It's still available here in this vertical style. All right, so just wonderful, beautiful album. There's our beautiful ladies again, and there's the pocket cards. That one is gold. This one is black glitter. I don't know if you can tell that in the video, but I'll take you in more detail once I get this done. Once I'm done with the storage box. So let's look. Look at that, guys. Look at that. How fun. So now we just need, see if I can have a charm that's appropriate that I have nearby. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. I've got a bunch of new charms in my shop, but let's see if I have one that's appropriate. Oh, this one is cute. I'll show you in just a minute. Oh, I love that one. I've got several that are appropriate. If you're making a theme type of album, let's say wedding, I got these adorable wedding charms. I mean, we've got the ring here, the baubles, just really pretty, the key to my heart. I've got some beach inspired ones, and I'm not going to go through all of these because this is not what I'm doing here. You can just go to my website and check them out. So I picked 3 that I think would be nice. This one would be so cute. It's got the giant heavy chain on there and just beautiful. And it's a toggle closure. And it's all layered for you already, guys. You have no work to do. It has all been layered for you already, which is what I love. Hopefully it'll wrap around. I think it will. So this is what I was saying, that you can do this. And you can have your charm dangling from the side, and look at how pretty. And it'll just dangle there, and you don't have to worry about making holes in your album. I have that. This has to be tied into a bow. That came undone. Don't laugh at me trying to make a bow here. I'm not very good at the girly stuff. I didn't make bows, guys. I only had a boy. Boys. Can't make a bow. And then I have this one, but this one has a little wood in it, so I don't know if I would put this one here. It all depends, but it's got a beautiful feather, the peace sign, some more feathers, a bird, and this wood. This one's a little more not fancy enough. And I love this one too. I would change the ribbon. This one has a block that spells out love, a key, and just some more danglies. This one will look cute too, minus the ribbon. But if I can get a bow here, I would be happy because this is the one I want to use. There we go. I made a bow. How cute. Okay, I made a bow. So this is how your charm assembly would work, and it just really looks stunning, guys. If you have something that's like an heirloom piece that you want to attach here, you can certainly do that. But how beautiful is that spine and just all of the fun things here. And now I will say, if you're doing the storage box and you hang something from your album, you're going to see this sticking out the storage box. So it all depends the look you're going for, unless you store it that way. Okay? But just really fun. I would also tie some tulle from here. I love it. I really do love the way that it turned out. So when I come back, storage box, and then I'll finish matting. You'll see it all matted and all finished. But just beautiful on this album, and I'm so very pleased with it. So if you're looking for this in my trinket shop, this is the one with the wing, the heart, and the horseshoe. All right, and that is, I don't know, I mixed them all up. I can't give you an item number for that, but that's there. All right, guys, I'll be back with another video on the storage box or the slip box to make the box set album, okay?